Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Nice, very good today. We did 180, but still very smooth service. Even the lunch service, very good. Oh look, there are so much people in here. Something like there is gatherings, or you know, so many cars and people. Amazing. How many cars are there? More than 100. Also people in there. That's it, I'm very thirsty now. I don't have water in my bag. Oh, there's some kind of musical going on, happening in here. Oh yeah, there's some, just a busker. Yeah, just busker. Yes, like what I'm expecting, there are many people. Especially on that side. Yeah, we're not going there anymore. And look at this, there's one beautiful motorcycle. They now changed it to just a one-way lane, one-way road. The one from the side, they made it like a parking. Maybe they noticed that there are many people are coming here this year, so they decided to put more parking area. I have this, the berryless, the berry dry, and I add some water, I add some ginger, salt, and then I'm going to put it here. This is pani. This is supposed to be a porridge rice, but it's become wet fried rice. Very hot. And we are going to have soft drinks today. This leftover from the picnic. I don't know when, but I don't buy this. I think it's Inigo or Ericsson. Okay, I didn't finish this. And this is our dessert. This is Peter's drumstick. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. It was 5:34 when I left the house. This time is very calm. Less birds you are hearing this time. Water's very calm. Okay, we go. Today is a pickup of the garbage. How your love was so tender, you tell me no more. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 1:30 already. No, 2:30 already when I sign out. Look at that, too much powers. Yeah, we are going to drop by in this shop. We are going to buy kid fish and chips and soft drinks. They just closed. Yeah, close at 2 p.m. No good. Okay, because I don't have food, I don't have drinks, we are not going to do pull-ups because I am already a little thirsty. Yeah, yesterday I don't have water. I did pull-ups and was not feeling good. So good. Oh, there's one guy doing the paddle board, and there's a couple doing like a picnic, dating. And in here there are many people, like as usual. Here we are home. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. This rice is not enough, very less. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, I just got home. I said I'm not going to vlog, but yeah, I'm vlogging now. You know, the time now is already 8:40. Yeah, I left the house at around 7:30. No, 7 o'clock after the news. Yeah, so I went to the marina. I did a Filipino, a Tagalog vlog, and then I went to the grocery. I bought these things. I bought this banana, this bread, this milk, and this chicken. All of these, it costs $19. And I also got this one. You know, this one is free. Philip gave it to me. Yeah. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. The time now is 5:38 and my duty today is 6 o'clock. I still have time. That's why we stop here. Yeah, very quiet. You hear the sound of the birds as usual. Yeah, there are many birds everywhere around here. And the water is very calm. But the air is actually a little cold. I wake up in the cold. Oh, I think I forgot my head cup. I'm not sure. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Yeah, what's that? Oh, yeah, it's 2 o'clock when I sign out. No, 2:19 when I sign out. And the last thing that I did is washing the cosletos. Cosletos is for the Caesar salad and other salad. They will be using it tonight. And if there are some leftover, I will use it for tomorrow. The wind today is cold. It's just good to walk around, but not to swim in the beach. Actually, there are people there, they are swimming. Let's have a look at them. Yeah, they are a group of friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, that are swimming in there. Yeah, today we are be able to do pull-ups because there are no much people in here. There are some usual guys. And for me not to be thirsty, I also brought this water. This coming from the workplace, the water. And during my break time, lunch, I put coffee in here. Usually, I'm drinking the leftover coffee from the breakfast, because you know, when we arrive in the kitchen, the waitress, the waiter, they will give us a cup of coffee, and I'm still drinking those leftover coffee. I'll just put it in the microwave, and then later on, I need to go to the toilet. So this time I did not do that. Instead, I made new coffee, and yeah. I can't do chin up. Difficult. Okay, that's it. Yeah, there's just a couple and one guy with a dog, and these cars. For sure, the people who owns those cars, they are walking around in there. Okay, this time again, there are many people. Yeah, group of friends, family, and this usual black swan. Yeah, that's $250 for my house rent. They are doing some improvements in the roads here. And look at this, they are doing some mural. They are painting it beautifully. It's like underwater. Oh, yesterday I was already here, outside here, coming from the grocery. And then Philip called me. And then he gave me one packet of like a dim sum, siomai, a selection. Yeah. Okay, it is now 3:10, and I'm now preparing my meal. I'm actually very hungry already. I have this rice. Yeah, I'm going to reheat it. But yeah, we are going to eat this one. Yeah, this is Mr. Shen's dumpling seafood selection. Yeah, it's a lot. And this is the one that is, yeah, Philip gave me yesterday. I was already outside of the grocery, and then he's inside. He called me and Kuya Robbie, and he gave me that one. Yeah, so basically I was in the grocery, and yeah, I was walking around, and then I saw this guy that looks familiar, but I don't remember. Yeah, and then I went to the Asian section. Then he called me Kuya Robbie. Yeah, like that. And that's when I realized that it's Philip. I actually forgot the name. Yeah, so we had a little chat. Yeah, I know him before because I was biking around here in Nelson Bay, and then I stopped in one sidewalk, and then I heard my name, someone is calling me, and actually Philip and the wife. Yeah, we had a little chat. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, we're going to eat this. It looks good, looks delicious. And I'm going to eat it with rice.